Hey there, awesome folks. This is Mentor Shelley coming to you, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally. If you're watching this video on Facebook or on my YouTube channel, you can definitely like, share, and subscribe the information that's going to be shared here today. Wanted to talk to you today about one particular issue that has always been coming up because of new technology and things of that nature, and people thinking, oh, okay, because I'm looking for a job, I just need to apply for jobs. I don't necessarily need to have a resume or a cover letter or letters of recommendation or other pieces in the career tools arsenal prepared. One thing I will say as a career mentor, you're always better off having 1, 2, or 3 done than not having any done at all. Especially if you're starting out, you definitely want to have something established, and you definitely want to have pieces of career tools that are working for you on the web. There's nothing like going into an interview or looking for a job unprepared. Most of the, most of the websites that you're going through the job application online is asking or requiring that you put in your resume or your cover letter to make sure that those systems are actually scanning your resume to find keywords, 1, 2, using the information on the resume to insert into your job application online as well. You're going through the system and it's picking out words, and it's picking out keywords specifically tailored to the position you're applying for. Having a resume is absolutely crucial. If you don't have one, and will definitely need to have one done, if you don't have one at all, then I have a new offer available for those who are starting out. You would start with going to one of my resources at mentorshelley.com/services/career strategy. In order for me to be able to help you cultivate that resume, you need to understand, number 1, what you want to do with your career and how you want your career tool to help you get that particular result. And there are other services available. If you really just want me to go ahead and review and make sure the resume that you have will get through the ATS system, the applicant tracking systems, and be able to get to a human being, then I also have another resource available, which is at mentorshelley.com/services/tools review, where you can get your career tools such as your resume and cover letter, or your resume and letters of recommendation, or your entire portfolio reviewed. And reviewed meaning not just I'm looking over it and seeing what's there, what's not there. Reviewed, providing you with information and pieces that you need to insert and what you need to say in different parts of your career tools. So it's not just something that you just throw up on the web, but it's actually working for you. And of course, as always, if you have general questions in regards to your career, as far as getting started in your career, you're not sure where to start, and you're still struggling in that area, you can definitely check out my free resource at mentorshelley.com/DCG, which is the Dream Career Guide. You can go ahead, go directly to that part of the website, mentorshelley.com/DCG, input your information, and download the guide. Now, downloading it is part of the process. Actually opening the guide or downloading it, opening the document, answering the questions on there, honestly, will definitely be able to help you start to cultivate your dream career, meaning that a career that you actually like, want to continue to do. And of course, as people go through their career, progressing and they change. But you want to make sure that at the very least, you can start off with something that you like to do, that you're good at, that you think is normal, but people always tell you, oh, you have a knack for this thing, or you have a knack for that thing. That's just one of the things that the Dream Career Guide helps you to pull out, or helps you to discover. Of course, you have general questions in regards to your career or job search or interviewing and things of that nature. You can always go to my contact page at mentorshelly.com/contact. You can leave me a voicemail message and either a voicemail message or an email message, and I'll return the voicemail message or the email within 24 hours. As always, this is mentorshelly.com, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally. And please, if you find the information helpful or you know somebody that is looking for this information, like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, or share this on your Facebook page so other people that is looking for this information can definitely find it and get started on their dream career journey. Take care, guys. You have a good one. Bye-bye.